Hey guys, fight over the future of London's 5 trillion 300-year-old gold market. Submitted by Mark O'Byrne. The fight of the future of the global gold market, London's 300-year-old role in the market, and the LBMA's role in determining price makes Bloomberg's lead article today, and we contribute. The article begins. There's a competitor brewing to figure out how the world's largest gold trading hub can get bigger and better. Much of the 5 trillion in transactions cleared every year in London is done by telephone or in electronic chat rooms and are the same kind of one-on-one deals that gave birth to the marketplace 3 centuries ago. But traders and bankers say that the system may not provide enough transparency to satisfy regulators or attract new businesses at a time when more gold is being bought and sold in New York and Shanghai. That is why the main participant group, the London Bullion Market Association, is evaluating bids to create a trading and reporting platform. At the same time, a different plan is being developed by the World Gold Council, a mining industry group that is working with the London Metals Exchange to come up with new futures contracts, said two people with direct knowledge of the venture. The proposals, if successful, would alter the way gold is bought and sold in the city. It's a pretty big deal. It's a pretty big moment for London, and it's time to choose, said Mark O'Byrne, a director at Dubin at Brokerage Gold Corp Limited. Everybody wants to bring more players to the table, but there's a risk that though the failure to work together, liquidity is diluted and the market weakened. Our primary concern has long been that the market becomes transparent and that the fundamentals of physical supply and demand ultimately determine the price at present. LBMA trading involves the buying and selling of unallocated gold contracts largely amongst bullion banks and other LBMA members. The LBMA offers over-the-counter wholesale trading of unallocated gold between bullion banks and other members because its importance to the global bullion trade. The LBMA for many years has overseen spot dealing in gold and silver for most of the world. Gold traded by members of the London of the LBMA rarely, if ever, physically leave the vaults in which they are stored. The LBMA relies on paper transfers to denote gold trades. With physical bullion in situ in unallocated accounts, concern has been voiced in recent years that members may not have the gold that they are trading and that the market therefore may not reflect actual supply and demand on a daily basis or indeed over the longer term. The LBMA points out on their website in 2015, 20.7 billion 17.9 million ounces of gold cleared daily through London. This equates to 556 metric tons, 17.9 million ounces, 32,150 troy ounces of trading every single day. Meanwhile, annual global mining supply is just 3,000 metric tons. So, in just one trading day, the LBMA is trading nearly 20% of the total global mining supply of gold for an entire year. In addition to a lack of transparency, what gold bullion is in the LBMA gold vaults and what gold bullion is being traded there is also a lack of transparency as to who the buyers and who the sellers are. This creates a real risk that the LBMA market and prices can be manipulated and does not reflect the real world fundamentals of actual global supply and demand as the market should. Gold news and commentary. Gold going up on Fed caution over rates, higher equities capped gains from Reuters. Indian gold imports said to plunge in March on jeweler strike. Gold gains in Asia as investors digest Fed tension on rate reviews. Gold gains as Fed meeting minutes confirm cautious rates outlook. Fed debated April rate hike but caution reigned due to global fears. 300-year-old $5 trillion gold market set for a facelift. Japan is fast approaching the quantitative limits of quantitative easing. Panama Papers. Big companies are in the firing line. Real money is in gold in a rotten world. Own gold before governments start handing out free cash from Casey Research. Anyways, guys, take care. Keep stacking.